Now, your Storm Track weather with meteorologist Eli Millard.
Well, still hanging on to cloud cover this morning, but for the most part dry. Some folks near the Kansas-Nebraska border saw some brief snow showers. Other than that, staying dry this morning. Chilly and breezy right now. Seeing a north wind as high as 20 to 25 miles per hour in some spots here. Temperature down to 25 degrees. Feels like temperature of 14 with that north wind at 13 miles per hour sustained, gusting to 20 to 25. Your temperatures this morning varying depending where you're at. The farther south you are, still in the upper 20s and lower 30s, but then middle to upper teens in our northern and northwestern counties, and still seeing that breezy north wind, northeast breeze, anywhere from 10 to 15 to 20 to times closer to 25 miles per hour. So windy this morning, and so wind chills are around zero near the Kansas and Nebraska border. -1 is your wind chill at Marysville, 4 degrees at Hiawatha, -3 at Concordia, but 10 degrees at Junction City and 19 currently at Emporia. So temperatures today warming up slightly from where we're at. Not by much, not much warming today with all the cloud cover, upper 20s and lower 30s, and then dropping down as we get into tomorrow morning. Next couple of mornings will be cold, and also tomorrow morning you factor in the snow that is falling as we'll be in the middle of our winter storm. Winds throughout today, a bit breezy, a north wind 10 to 15 miles per hour, and that'll last into tomorrow. Now, it will be a bit breezy tomorrow, but not like what we saw in early January. Not enough wind to qualify for a blizzard. So that's the good news. You're going to have a little bit of blowing snow, but nowhere near the amounts that we saw in early January. Now, wind chill will certainly be a factor today. Wind chills will stay in the teens and then get down to the single digits again into tomorrow morning. So starting off some cloud cover, some breaks at times, but still see cloud cover throughout today, a mostly cloudy sky into the afternoon to evening hours. As round number 1, most of it was just kind of rain and ice towards northwestern Arkansas, northeastern Oklahoma, and portions of Missouri. We had a few snow showers, but for the most part quiet. That changes into tonight as our next round of snow will move in, and winter storm warning in effect for tonight and into tomorrow. That includes all counties across northeast Kansas. Winter storm warning expires tomorrow at 6 o'clock. So kind of get the time frame here. Future Track starts this morning. We stay dry throughout most of today. Don't expect any impacts in the daytime today. Snow arrives late tonight, 10 to 11 o'clock, around I-70 and towards the north, becoming widespread throughout the overnight hours. Peak intensity be about 2 a.m. to about 8 to 9 in the morning. That's when the heaviest snow will fall throughout the overnight hours into early Wednesday morning. Expect issues on your commute early Wednesday morning to school or to work, as we'll still be kind of in peak intensity during that commute. Things will start to wrap up in the later morning hours and then dry out in the afternoon to evening hours. So how much snow we see with this system? Well, expecting about 5 to 9 inches of snow across most of the area. And then southern counties, I-35 and towards the south, that's kind of the line, and looks to be slower snow amounts with that, about 3 to 6 inches in that area. Then tracking another chance for precipitation, rain, possibly some snow Saturday morning into Saturday evening as well. A lot of question marks with that, what kind of precipitation we see, but it's just knocking at the door right after this storm system. 40% chance for snow to arrive later on tonight, 100% chance for snow on Wednesday, a high of 22 degrees. Arctic air settles in behind it. Then we warm up before our next storm system moves in Friday into Saturday, getting colder on Sunday, a high of 19 degrees.